What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you my latest preset pack and also showing you how to install presets into Photoshop. Okay, so to get your presets into Photoshop, what you're going to need to do is open the preset pack and then go on your computer to applications, find Photoshop, double click it, click on presets, and then 3D LUTs. By default, you might not have anything in there, or you might, I don't know your life. But all you need to do is go to the Alpha Arc LUT pack, drag it over to the 3D LUTs, open Photoshop. Okay, so now in Photoshop, I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of some of the presets involved in this pack. Now, once you're in Photoshop, to enable your presets, to actually get to them, what you're going to need to do is go to Image, Adjustments, and Color Lookup. Now this is where you're going to be able to find your presets, and you'll be able to see it as all of the presets here. We have Arc, Azure, B1, B2, 4, Glacier, Grit, Monarch, Omega, Tones, and Vintage. So you click on these and it should change. So I'm going to click on here so you can see it enabled. So I'm just going to scroll through and you'll be able to see this is the before and this is the after of some of the images. So you can literally see what you're going to be getting in this pack. Oh, sensational! You can see it has different tones, different vibes, different feels to each and every one of them, and I pretty like. Oh, I think one of these are my favorite. I like Azure, I like Glacier. Anyway, let me go through all of them. Then we have Grit, Monarch, which is a black and white one, Omega, we've got Tones, and we've got Vintage. Now they all have different sort of feels and vibes to them. It depends on how you want your actual images to pop and what theme you want to maintain. Now, not every preset is going to work with every single image. Luckily, this image works with all of the presets, and they actually all look really good in this image. So you can literally pick any one of these and it'll look fantastic. But that might not always be the case. But for me, I really like this one. So I'm going to hit OK. Then bam, it's done. If you wanted to like adjust the image, like go into camera raw, you can add like exposure, contrast, exposure's a bit too high, put that down, bump the saturation up a little bit. I'm going to go to curves. You can literally add, more color, you can take more color away, you can change some of the settings if you wanted to. You can really dive on top of it, because presets aren't meant to be the be or do all. You're meant to literally do preset and then build in it afterwards. So yeah, I think this is sensational. Try it out for yourself and let me know what you think. So that's the first one. Let's give another example. Oh, we got Hannah here. Again, we're gonna go to Image, Adjustments, and then Color Lookup. And let's scroll through some of these. Yep, that looks nice. Okay. Yeah. Oh, god damn! I'm feeling that one. I'm gonna come back to that one. Glacier. Literally scrolling through all of these presets so you can get a look, get a feel of. Oh, that one's kind of nice as well. Tones, I like that one. Okay, for me, Glacier was my favorite for this one, so I'm going to enable this. Now I'm going to adjust some of my settings. Exposure up, shadows down. Oh, by the way, if you can hear a dog in the background, guys, I apologize. My neighbor's dog barking away. Adjust the saturation a little bit, put it a little bit up. Go to my curves, going to adjust that a little bit because it's a bit too blown out on the highlights. Yep, I think that's perfect. I might add a little bit of grain. Yeah, fantastic. So again, guys, really, these presets, I personally use these presets. Like if you go on my Instagram, you'll be able to literally see, like, I legitimately use these presets. You'll be able to edit sensational pictures, literally take your images to the next level. Okay, so also if you have Lightroom and Photoshop, you're gonna have to send it to Photoshop from Lightroom. Now I'll show you quickly how to do it. So you could start editing in Lightroom and then end up in Photoshop. So I'll show you how you do it really quickly. Okay, so now we're in Lightroom, as you can see. So I can adjust some of my settings. Yeah, I like that. But if you want to use the presets, what you're going to need to do is Photo, Editing, Adobe Photoshop. It's going to ask you if you want to take the original, take a copy. I'll take a copy. Well, bam! As you can see, here's the image. And again, I can go to Image, Adjustments, Color Lookup, or Command L. And as you can see, we can scroll through. Oh, that's nice. Oh, god damn. Let's see which one you prefer, which ones you like. I think I'm gonna go with This one's nice. Yeah, I like this. Then I can again adjust some of my settings. But yeah guys, this is the preset pack. I hope you like them. Also don't forget that not only can you use it for your photos in Photoshop and Lightroom, etc., but you can actually use it in videos. Because again, the LUTs, if you import it into your video software like Final Cut or Premiere Pro, you can also use them. I'll give you an example really quickly. Find custom LUT, drag it onto your footage. Go to your effects panel. Make sure the input and output is Rec 709 and not Rec 2020. Because this is the color space which most people are going to be working in. I'll explain color space, Rec 709, Rec 2020 in a different video, but for this purpose, make sure it's Rec 709. Then go to your LUTs. For me, and I'm just going to scroll through them so you can see. Well, bam, oh, beautiful, beautiful, sensational. And literally all of the same presets that we're using for the photos, you can use them for the videos, and it looks absolutely sensational. Like, it really does work. So if you wanted to use them for your footage and your photos, maintain a similar theme, you can, because all of the presets are cross compatible and it works. Anyway guys, if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. If you want to see me make another tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you use these presets for any of your photos or videos, tag me on Instagram and I'll repost it onto my page. Peace.